Bark. Ruff.
Grr.
Meow.
Hee-haw.
Roar.
I just said roar.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
No. You said
Oh.
grr and then you said hee-haw.
Well, I said roar up here. Oink.
Meow.
You already said meow.
I did?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're not just delusional?
No.
Okay, well, let's keep going.
Yes.
Bah.
Quack.
Nay.
Buzz. Quack, quack. No, no. That's the right noise.
Schmacka! Schmacka!
That's the noise I was looking for. I'm gonna look to the text and see what noises there are.
You're not allowed to do
Yes,
that.
yes,
No. Nope.
Yes, I am.
Give me the phone. Nope. Get off of me. Okay.
Yeah, my hand back.
Yes.
No, you can't delete it. Don't
I'm not gonna delete it.
Ah.
Get off.
Ow, elbow in whatever bone that is.
Ow. There you go.
You just delete. I said don't delete.
Yeah, I know.
Grrr.
You already used that one.
Shut up.
That was our fail attempt at having an animal noise competition.
Again.
Yeah, if you already watched the first one, that was even more of a fail, but bye.
What's that bone right there?
What bone?
Right here.
Right there?
Yeah.
It's your collarbone.
Oh, you hurt my collarbone.